Hurricane Ian Christmas benefit. Tap mai fia tai amai to Tonga. Tap mai fafikau Reverend Ivan Roberts Halaevalu. Tap mo la fia kai fai mamali from Halaevalu. Tap mo komiti Tongan Community Canberra Partnership. My colleagues from the diplomatic corps, our generous sponsors, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Nang tayo magsafinay puno ang itong ikinpilan, yung behefo kito ulian, kaya siya tafana. I would like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet this evening, the land of the Napua people, and I would also like to pay my respects to our elders, past, present, and future. As an update from our last fundraise, the Hurricane Ian Concert Benefit and Dinner in April this year, Governor of Halaevalu's office, the Tongan Community Canberra Partnership Committee, was requested to donate food and household necessities to the families in Halaevalu who have no contact with relatives in Tonga and outside Tonga. In May, containers were filled up with supplies and distributed by the Governor of Halaevalu's office, as well as the district and town officers to the families in need. Thank you all so much for making it possible for the people of Halaevalu. Small island states, such as the Kingdom of Tonga, are most vulnerable to climate variability and long-term climate change, particularly extreme weather and climate events including floods, cyclones, droughts, as well as sea level rising. Consequently, Tonga is facing warmer temperatures with more very hot days, extreme rainfall, decreasing numbers of cyclones, but possible shifts towards more intense categories such as sea level rising and ocean acidification, which will threaten our reef ecosystems. As a result, there is a drought in Halaevalu today, and people are critically in need of drinking water. And this is the very purpose of tonight's fundraising. The implication then, not only our islands are in danger of drowning, but our homes and our culture are also in danger of sinking. In the spirit of celebrating Christmas, tonight's fundraising for Hurricane Ian Christmas benefit is presented to you with a Halaevalu fashion parade in honor of celebrating our Tongan culture and heritage. Our family history is written in our Halaevalu heirlooms. The tying of our various waist mats around our waists with the Senate belt or gafa is not only a symbol of respect and Tongan culture, but it means that we are binding the land of Tonga onto us wherever we go. We have common plants in the South Pacific, but in Tonga, the most prominent tree in culture and tradition is the coconut tree. Second is the pandanus or screw pine tree, and third is the hibiscus tree. All of these plants with their various species are used for weaving our Halaevalu. A Tongan woman's love for her family and nation, pride, skill, patience, and beauty are all depicted in these ancient crafts, which are Tongan traditional gifts. Since time immemorial, no Tongan is born, marries, celebrates, or dies without such handmade unique gifts being presented consisting of tablecloths and mats. Fine mats are the most treasured and sentimental possessions of Tongan households, in addition to multiple and practical uses such as floor coverings and beddings, decoration, and as ta'awala. Finely woven ta'awala are treasured and handed down from generation to generation as heirlooms. the very essence of our Tongan culture. The Tala fashion show tonight was an idea that came about not just for fundraising, but also to become informative and educational for our Tongan youth in Canberra. Wokole ke hifanga ngai whatako o sana awhaki. Ka ke whai a te pōku whangamaro. O ngari o kumo oingofua e lo a kau langa e o kumotu hiki. Ange ko haapai mo e waniwa. Ka whiunga a kere lahi o tangata mo mamau mo e tohi ako. Na e hui atu mua mo uiha ko whale langa i haapai. Na e lahi e lo a kau ke kehi me ngā oi aki i langa. Ka koi uruaki langa koi pola. Hoko ai ai takapau mo e pātete. Ko hono whakawhaahinga e takapala, ne te whito pe e whaahinga lo akau, whai aki e langa, ki au i ki ange mo moluan, e a toki ngā oi aki me. Ko e tukuanga e takapala e Tonga, ne tuku me e o ngoi a apa, a kau tautai ai tui Tonga. E nau tuutu ai ai la o nau waka, o wala aki e nau o e tui Tonga. Ko e kuanga ko ia, mamalu, au no whakaapa ia o tui mo e. O whakakaukau e kakai, i ha mea ki whakahoi fua ki a hau e. O kamata lenga ke nau la langa ngā e tau wala ke. Ko ia nā nau ai e tau wala, ki whakahat e nau whakaapa mo e ngoi apasia ki tui mo e. Ko tala noa ki uno sangone, o pasi ai a whikau aki a Tonga kua moa e kohi. E tuku mei heni hono omi i Tonga e omi ki tuku ai. Mau inga eni o tau wala e tau ungaanga whaafonua. Kai lawa ke tau whakatatau. Monu ia e lolo Tongan, e ono ki ima a ngahi ilo. Ai ana e puke puke a fufula e kohi. Ke aonga mai lolo Tongan, e hefo ki tō tuku o Tonga. Tau me hono fuaki, e bene a whio, tau whahau tuku o fuaki, a tau ataina, e tau wau tō nima. Nāni whakakolo a ke Tonga, o ngō fua e whanga kai tau matu, e tau kaha tau ataina. Ke ene koloa, ene ngā aue, ke fua o tō kanga mo whanga. E lawa le mai e kakai, o ngā e nā wahi koloa, o ngā ue aki, o ikai ke whakangatangata. Hange ko hono wahe ki e awhiwala o hatu, o eiki, mo i kakai. Pea kulawe mo nunga Tonga i ono poni. Pea mo ono ke tau ataina ki e fua a hono nima. Ka whakakaukau ki whaari tau wala o i whiawhika. Ne tuku me he whiema, ke whai e whinga paanga maha pai. Ia whaunga e lawa ai, ke ako tau tupu o Canberra ni. Ki ngahi tau wala whakatonga, o ngahi te unga ni. Ki nau mahu inga ia ai, mo tai mahi noangi. Ai ngā ue lahi o whakahoko i Tonga. I hono ngauhi o e tau koloa ko ene ko e tau wala. Pea ke nau tui ai tau wala, ko os mahu inga maare ki a piki nau tolu. Hono uhinga, hono historia. Ki oua nā hoko i loko ia, o tōlo os. O pō o aka whakamālolo to honga moni kia te ki mō tolu ko tohotoa. E Tonga Community Canberra Partnership. Pea peheki e ofisa tala whikau lahi a Tonga ki Australia ni. I ho mō mak ai ofa ngongo fua, mo taliani ki ngā aue to whiawhi. Ko tupu me ho mō wongo i whaingata, o ho ngea vai e whoi one one. Ka uhi ko whiriuri wake o ea, mo i tupu ngau tutu e tahi. Whamaloa ki kau sponsor. Kau ai e Canberra Labour Club Okalani. Ngai kalap kawatonga, panikaka, fofo anga, makalap kriminyaki. United Nation Women Incorporated. Toi talatala no youth. Te imumu shock, my family. Christina Sisi from my family, Liberty Pagalani, Mutin Jones, or M.H. O'Rourke funeral. Aula moi moi nātou, pēmo ki mautolu, e nau loto lelei ki whakakau mai i nau ngahi koloa ki whaari o whiawhia. Kau whaari tau wala, kau tokoni ki whekumi nā whakahoko, i nau tolu i Tonga, ni nau asi i ngahi Tala, i anga hono ngau i ngahi loa kau ki tau wala. Mo kau tokoni i tapa ke kehe o ngā wenu, mo kau pōpō kotoni. Mahalo o i a paiwe. He ku hoko mo o wha o hangi Hawaii wha. Pen pela. Ko mo ngai koloa en o whakaari i e whiawhia. Kako e koloa ko ki mauto. Ko hoka aina, whamiri, pēr moi maheni i e nofu a kaina. Tāo pē ngā wen mai kolomoa. He tātā turi waka o kulawe ai tautu. O whake mo maka Christmas whiawhia o tā for all whonu keresia. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. My heartfelt gratitude for your contribution and attendance tonight as I invite you to enjoy our Halaevalu fashion parade of our life.